Hello everyone, in today's video we will be going to take a look at top 10 Python projects that you can make as a beginner. So let's get started. Wait, before starting the video I would like to introduce you with the Swiss coding.
Hey YouTube, Swiss coding here.
So Swiss coding is an Instagram page which has endless amounts of beginner friendly Python programs. So if you are interested in Python and you have just started out, make sure you go to @Swiss coding on Instagram and follow him. So here we are guys with our first project of Python's turtle library, and guess what, Python's turtle library is the best library if you are a beginner programmer. So Python turtles library comes along with simple Python installation, so you don't have to install any libraries or anything else, just install Python and you are good to go with turtle. So what turtle does actually, as it makes you aware of the Python console graphics stuff, and I'm pretty sure if you are a beginner you might not know what is console graphics. So let's quickly run this code and see what would be the output. And here we have our turtle graphics loaded up, and I'm pretty sure you know this character, right? Just comment down below what are your guesses. And you can see with our code it's just starts up and draws stuffs. So that's it.
This script is my favorite so far. It is named GitHub Repository Automation. As the name spoilers, it is a script which creates a repository for you. You just have to enter your GitHub username and password plus a simple name for the repository. That's it.
Well, by watching this video you are already ahead of your game. And guess what? It's time to make a voice assistant like Alexa, Google Assistant, or just straight up Friday and Jarvis. So to do that, first you need to make your computer speak your language. And here what you see is a 16 line of code. A 16 line of code to make your computer do what you want, speak what you want. So here I have defined a speak function, and you can see speak hello Mr. Stark. Just quickly run it and let's see what happens. Here we go.
Hello Mr. Stark, this is Friday.
And that's it. That's how you make a voice operated program.
With this script you can calculate the minutes you have saved due to speeding. Effect in addition. Speeding to save time is inefficient if you are not driving over 500 miles. Here you have an example.
So now let's look at some simple games you can make as a beginner. So the best thing I would like to advise you is to make simple text-based games like rock paper scissors. So here is an example of rock paper scissors games and how you can make it. So this is the game, and you can see here computer always chooses randomly, like computer will choose some random strings as rock, papers or scissors, and then we have to play it using if-else conditions. So this is very simple for a beginner programmer, and make sure you check this out and check this one out.
Another script for the hustlers out there. Calculate your profit that you have made due to selling products. It shows you if you are break even, if you have a loss or a profit.
So as you can tell by the video is Instagram themed, and as Swiss coding is from Instagram. So here's a simple program to download people's Instagram profile picture. So I know it looks a bit hard, but it's simple as that. So you can see in this source code, all we have is some JSON queries here and there, and Python will take care of all of it. So make sure you check this one out. All you need to do is to enter the user's username and you will have their profile picture downloaded. So make sure you check this one out.
This one is for the investors. This program returns the percentage change of a specific share value, so you can keep an eye on your investments. Here is a sample of it.
So far you have seen some great tools built with Python, and now it's time for some weapons. So here I present to you WhatsApp Bomber or WhatsApp Spam Bot. So let's dive into it. So here we have our code which runs straight up our Edge browser and automates stuff. You can see with just 22 lines of code we can make a WhatsApp Bomber. And if you are not sure what a WhatsApp Bomber is, let me show you quickly what it is actually. So here we are running, and hopefully, okay, so it's taking a bit of time, but be patient, and we have it. Okay, here we go. I'll quickly log in, and here we have it. So now you need to go back into your terminal, and so we need to type the name of the person that we need to have. Okay, so it says count how many times you want to send a message. Then I'll go just with 500 send message, and then hello buddy message. You can paste any messages here, and here we go. Open up Chrome. Now it's time for the virus creation, and so far we have seen lots of techniques that you can make using Python, such as WhatsApp Bomber and automation stuff, and lots of things. And you can dive into more beginner friendly projects by going @swisscoding on Instagram, and make sure to follow me @darkness.232 on Instagram. But now comes the virus creation stuff. So let's talk about how viruses work. So virus must be small enough or be simple enough to sneak into any computer or any device, and powerful enough to just destroy a whole computer or make it unresponsive. So well, that is a very long and complicated stuff. So make sure you watch my other video of virus creation that will roll out tomorrow, and make sure you subscribe, press the bell icon, and wait till next one.